So this is how to create a Google Doc. You're going to open up your internet browser, and you do need a Gmail account for this. They are free, and it will be something you have to do at home. You go to google.com, and then while you can't sign into your email, you'll be able to sign into the Google Drive or Google Docs. And you just type in your username or your email and your password, and it'll bring you there. These are all the documents that I've created. Over here under shared with me, it'll be the ones that have been shared with me. So if you weren't the ones that created it, it'll be under here. To create a document, you click this create button, you're going to go down to document, and you can just begin typing. You can title it by clicking there, so maybe it's going to be an essay about dogs. And there are many types of dogs. Australian Shepherds are my favorite. Just for example, dogs and cats hate each other sometimes. Well, now maybe that's a bad sentence, so we're going to erase that. But if you want to change the formatting, the font maybe, you can go up here and change it. You can change the size. This is how you bold it, italicize, underline, all of that good stuff. You can even change the color. Just go down here. We're going to make this blue. Now we're going to change it back to black because it's easier to read. But in the same way, you can highlight things. So this is really important, so we're going to highlight it. If you want to make it a link, you can just click this. And see, this is how you can change it from single to double spacing in between the lines. Bullet and number lists are over here. Just clear formatting by clicking this button. To share, you just click share, and well, this is loading, but you'll see who it's already been shared with, and you can add emails to your friends. So this is really useful for group projects because it means you don't have to meet up every time. You can just all maybe work on it at the same time from separate locations. So I'm going to go ahead and share it with a different email of mine. I'll choose that one, and you can choose if they can edit or comment or view. So if you just need someone to proofread maybe, or like I said, group work, and you're just going to click send, and they'll get an email and they can open it that way. They can add comments. Now when you are in a group, this will have who signed up here, and you can chat with them. To download it, you can download it as a Microsoft Word document, or as an RTF file. If you wanted to upload a document from maybe at home, you click this arrow and you go to files, and you can just click it, the one you want. And it'll upload, and you can either just view it or you can click open with. Or let's see, open with, and you could do 3 different ones. Usually you can open it with Google Drive. We'll try a different folder. You can do multiple ones. Open with, oh, hey, Google Docs. And now I can edit this with Google Docs, and you should be able to do the same thing. So if you work at something at school, you can go back home and it should appear here, and you can just start it. Or if you want to download something from Google Docs to your computer, you just did what I showed you before. You go over here, you go to download as, there you go, and you can print it, do what you need to.